Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is professional story banner PSD and these files are Photoshop, CC and CS Plus and here is preview for JPG file, and this file is protected. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime password access. You see, you can import your own photo or own background, write anything. Here is winter discount, 50% off kids stuff sale. Okay, spring discount. So you can change everything. Go to main file. Here is 80 plus files. For example, I open this one. You can import your own photo here. Write anything. Go to Google, layer. Here is text, gem story. Import your own image. Now we need a gem photo. I will try this one. Go here. Oh, we need high definition photo, but I will try this. Enter, Control Shift E and then Control S. Okay, 99%. Close it and you see our photo is here. You can move anywhere. Okay, now and next is here fresh top 10 mistake. Okay, here is mobile sale, winter sale, promotion, wedding dress. Just simply replace your background photo, for example. Here is no wedding dress, but I will try any other photo like this one. Enter, Control Shift E then Control S. Okay, you see our photo is here. Now winter sale, that means you can edit everything. Your arrival 2016, but you can write 2022. Oh sorry, click replace image. We need a portrait image. Poster like this. Control S. Simply. So this file is protected. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime. I hope these are useful for you. Allah Hafiz.